Hi students, today we are going to start a new unit, mensuration. In the chapter name is perimeter and area of plane figures. We are going to do problems on triangle. Types of triangles, you know. Triangle means three sides closed figure. Three sides will be there, three angles will be there. So there are three types of triangles according to sides. Three types of triangles according to angles. This is not a new lesson, just recalling. With the three sides according to sides, if all sides are equal, we will call it as equilateral triangle. If two sides are equal, we will call it as isosceles triangle. If no side is equal, we will call it as scalene triangle. Coming to triangles according to angles. If out of three angles, one angle is 90, we call it as right triangle or right angle triangle. Next one, if three angles are less than 90, we call it as acute angle triangle. If in three angles one is more than 90, we call it as obtuse angle triangle. These are the types of triangles according to sides and according to angles. Now these are also the formulae you know already. Once again recalling. Area of a triangle, simply we tell half base into height, that is also correct. Still clarity. Half of, this is bracket from here to here, half into base into corresponding height. When we multiply square units, if it is centimeters, square centimeters, meters means square meters, like that, because we are multiplying two times now, square will come. Next, second formula, Heron's formula. If A, B, C are the length of the sides of a triangle, then S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. Then the area of triangle is equal to square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. This is S. What is the value of S means? A plus B plus C by 2. Are you able to follow? This formula we are going to use. No side is equal here for scalene triangles. Coming to third one, area of right triangle. Right angle triangle or right triangle same. Half into product of sides containing the right angle. Product of the sides containing right angle. That is also square units. Square units. All areas always square units. Next, area of an equilateral triangle with each side A is equal to square root 3. Root 3 by 4A square. Square units. Fifth one, area of an isosceles triangle with the sides A. These two sides are equal and one more side is there, B. That is equal to 1 by 4 into B square root of 4A square minus B square, square units. So you have to read and learn and by heart. Then we can do this chapter very easily. Exercise 17A, first problem. Find the area of a triangle whose base is 15 centimeters and the corresponding height is 9.6 centimeters. So solution, given, what they have given means base of a triangle they have given. Base of a triangle. How much they have given? 15 centimeters. Next, corresponding height of a triangle. Corresponding height of a triangle. Corresponding height of a triangle is equal to 9.6 centimeters. Now they are asking to find area of a triangle. Area of a triangle formula is equal to half of base into corresponding height. Corresponding height, close the bracket, square centimeters, because we know the units now, so square centimeters or centimeter square also correct only. that is equal to 1 by 2 into base how much? 15 into 9.6 centimeters square, or square centimeters also same answer, in that no doubt at all. Now 2 table, 2 goes here decimal is there, 2 4s are 8 decimal, 2 8s are 16. Now multiply 4.8 into 15, 15 8s are 120, 0, 12 remaining, 15 6 are 60, 72. So after one digit, so what is the answer means? 72 centimeters square, or you can write as square centimeters in words. Both mean same only. 72 centimeters square or square centimeters. Second problem. Find the area of a triangle whose sides are 13 centimeters, 14 centimeters and 15 centimeters. Also find the height of the triangle corresponding to the longest side. So be careful. Solution given. What they have given means 3 sides of a triangle. 3 sides of a triangle are 13 centimeters, 14 centimeters and 15 centimeters. Now, if A, B, C are the lengths of sides of a triangle, then S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. Then area of triangle is equal to square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Now we are going to find S first. S is equal to 13 plus 14 plus 15 by 2. That is equal to 42. 42 by 2. 2 goes 21. So 21 centimeters we got. Now that is equal to square root of 21 into 21 minus 13 into 21 minus 14 into 21 minus 15. That is equal to square root of 21 into here 8 into 21 minus 14, 7 into 6. Now change into prime factors. That will be the easiest for calculation. That is equal to square root of 21 means 3 into 7. 8 means 2 into 2 into 2. 7 is prime number. 6 we can write as 2 into 3. So now that is equal to square root of 7 square into how many 3's? 1, 2, 3 square into 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 to the power of 4. Simplification is very, very important. Now square root. 1 7 will come outside. 1 3 and in 2 square. In power half will come. Into half is 1. Into half is 1. In 4 2. So this one you know. 7 3s are 21. 21 into 2 2s are 4. So how much? 84 square units. 84 square units. Now we got area. Find area. They are asking to also find the height of the triangle corresponding to the longest side. That we will do. Now here is a triangle of three sides. Three sides are not equal. We can name it as scalene triangle. And they are asking to the longest side height. They are asking the height corresponding to the longest side. 15 is the longest side. So from the vertex to the opposite side, it should be an altitude. Height altitude means 90 degrees here. That will be the height, exact height. Next, they ask longest side. Sometimes they may ask shortest. Shortest means 13. So from C you have to draw. Don't think always they'll ask longest. They may ask shortest. Now, or middle or medium. Now listen carefully. Now we got this area. Area of a triangle, how much we got? Before we did area of a triangle, 84 square centimeters. We got 84. Now, again we are going to find area. Area of this triangle. Same triangle. Area is same. Area of a triangle formula we know. Half base into height. Base into height. Or corresponding height also you can write. Now we know 84 square centimeters or centimeter square is equal to 1 by 2 into base 15. Height we don't know. Right, height. Able to follow. Now 15 by 2 reciprocal 2 by 15 is equal to h. Now 3 table 3 5s are 3 table 3 2s are 6, 3 8s are 24. Now h is equal to 2 8s are 16, 1 2 2s are 4, 5, 56 by 5 centimeters, because 1 centimeter will cancel here, 2 centimeters are there, centimeter to centimeter, 1 centimeter will cancel, 1 centimeter will be remaining. With 5 you divide 56. 5 11s are 56, 55, sorry, 5 11s are 55, 1 remaining. Keep decimal, 0. 5 goes 2 times, 5 2s are 10. Now we got 0. So therefore height is equal to 11.2 centimeters. This is the answer. Able to follow? This is the answer. Fifth problem. The perimeter of a triangular field is 540 meters, because perimeter, all the three sides, when we add 540 came, AB plus BC plus CA, and its sides are in the ratio, they gave in ratio 25 is to 17 is to 12. Find the area of the triangle. First one we have to do, area of a triangle. Also find the cost of cultivating the field at rupees 24 rupees 60 paise per for every 100 meters square. That is the problem given. Solution. Given, what is given? Perimeter. They have given first. Perimeter of a triangular field is equal to 540 meters. Right, 540 meters. Next, ratio of sides of a triangular field. Which ratio? 25 is to 17 is to 12. Let the three sides be, let the three sides be We don't know exact, no? So 25x, 17x, 12x. When we add, because perimeter, now find perimeter. Perimeter of a triangular field. Triangular field is equal to sum of all three sides. Sum of all three sides. So 25x plus 17x plus 12x. Add 25, 35, 42, 52, 54. 54x we got. This we did. They have given in problem. Both you compare now. So 54x is equal to 540, because this is perimeter. What we did according to the formula, we got 54x, and this is the perimeter of a triangular field given in the problem. So x is equal to 540 by 54. How many times it goes? 10 times. So x is equal to 10 we got. X is equal to 10. Meters. Don't forget measurement, because mensuration. We have to find first side, second side and third side. Now we got x is equal to 10 meters. Now first side, that is equal to a, you think. A is equal to 25x. That is equal to 25 into 10 meters. 250 meters. Next, second side. Second side we are thinking as B. 17x. 17 into 10 meters. 170 meters. Third side. We are thinking as C. 12x. 12 into 10 meters. 120 meters. Now we know the formula. Which type of triangle means? Scale and triangle. If A, B, C are the lengths of the sides of a triangle, S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2, then area of triangle, you can write as scale and triangle also, no problem, because no side is equal, no? Square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. This is the formula. First we are going to find S. S is equal to 250. Already we added. They only gave, no? No problem, we will add plus 170 plus 120 by 2. That is equal to 540. This is indirectly perimeter by 2. That is equal to 270 meters. S value 270 meters. That is equal to, now we are doing 270 into 270 minus 250 into again 270 minus 170 into 270 minus 120. Now simplify clearly. Now S 270 only. 270 minus 250 is 20. 270 minus 170 100 into 270 minus 120 is 150. Now change into factors. For 270 write prime factors. 2 table goes, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s. 5 table goes 5 2s 10, 7, 3 table goes, 3 9s, 3 3s. So 2 into 3, 3 times, and again one more 5. Next 20, for 20 find factors, prime factors. 2 goes 10 times, 2 goes 5 times. So 2 into 5. Next, for 100, find factors for 100. 2 table goes 50 times, 2 table goes 25 times, 5 table goes 5 times. So 2 into 5 into 5. Next, now 150. 2 table goes 75 times, 5 table, 3 otherwise 3 table. 3 2s are 6, 3 5s 15, 5 5s. So 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. Change every number into prime factors. That is equal to square root of, how many 2s are there? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 to the power of 6 into 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 to the power of 4 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 to the power of 6. Now, square root not 2 cube into 3 square into 5 cube. Half only will come. In 6 half is 3, in 4 half is 2, in 6 half is 3. 2 cube means 8, into 3 square means 9, into 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. Now multiply. 125 into 9, 45, 4, 18, 22, 2, 11, into 8, 40, 0, 4, 16, 20, 0, 2, 10, 0, 1, 9,000. How much we got means 9,000. 9,000 what? Meters square. Meter square. This is the area. Still we have to do. Now we got area of a triangular field. How much we got? 9,000 meters square. Now they are asking cost of cultivating. Cost of cultivating the field at rupees 24 rupees 60 paise per 100 meters square. Here how many hundreds are there means 90 into 100 meters square. 9,000 now. So 90 into 24 rupees 60 paise. Easy way of multiplying is 9 into 246. Multiply 246 into 9. 54, 5, 36. 36 means 41, 4, 18, 22. So how much means? What is the cost means? 2,214. Therefore the cost of cultivating the field is 2,214. Write that conclusion. Very, very important. Therefore the cost of cultivating the field is equal to 2,214. Seventh problem. The perimeter of a right triangle is 60 centimeters and its hypotenuse is 25 centimeters. Find the area of the triangle. Which type of triangle they have given? Right triangle. Right triangle. A, B, C. Right angle at B. Hypotenuse they have given 25 centimeters. And we don't know length of AB, length of BC. It is not an isosceles right angle. If it is isosceles right angle triangle, here x means here also x. but they did not use the word that one. So we are keeping x and y. Now solution. First, what they have given? Perimeter they have given. So what? Perimeter of a right triangle is equal to 60 centimeters. Now what is the formula for perimeter of a triangle? Perimeter of a triangle is equal to sum of all three sides, that is equal to x plus y plus 25 centimeters. Now given in the problem is 60 and we got this one. So compare x plus y plus 25 is equal to 60. X plus y is equal to 60 minus 25. So x plus y we got as 35. Y is equal to 35 minus x, or that one, or x is equal to, we want everything in x. Now we got x, y and the three side. One more thing we know. What we know? I'll do it here. ABC is a right triangle. When you hear the word right triangle, hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. Who told? Pythagoras theorem this is. In a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. 25 whole square is equal to AB is x, x square plus y square, y plus 35 minus x whole square. We will simplify it. Simplify. 25 625 is equal to x square plus a minus b whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. Now 625 is equal to x square plus 1225 minus 70x. 2 35s are 70 x plus x square. This one also bring to that side. X square plus x square 2x square minus 70x plus 1225 minus 625 is equal to 0. 2x square minus 70x plus is more, plus 600 is equal to 0. 2 table is common, so x square minus 35x plus 300 is equal to 0. Find factors. For when you multiply, 300 should come, plus 300. When you simplify, minus 35 should come. In such a way, you are going to take factors. 300, 2 table goes 150 times, 2 table goes 75 times, 3 table goes 25 times, 5 table goes 5 times. Now 2 2s 4, 4 5s 20, 3 5s 15 into 15. Finding factors is one thing, applying signs, both minus. Minus 20 minus 15 is minus 35. Minus 20 into minus 15 is minus into minus plus 20 into 15, 300. Those are the factors. So x square minus 20x minus 15x plus 300 is equal to 0. Now x common. x minus 20 minus 15 common, x minus 20, that is equal to 0. X minus 20 is into, because we are having common, into x minus 50, this is all you know, is equal to 0. When it will be 0? Either x minus 20 should be 0 or x minus 20 is equal to 0 or x minus 15 is equal to 0. X is equal to 20 or x is equal to 15. So if x is 20, y will be 35 minus 20, that is 15. Are you able to follow? So they gave in centimeters, write centimeters. X is equal to 20 centimeters and y is equal to 15 centimeters. They told to find area of a right triangle is equal to half base into corresponding height between right angle, half into 20 into 15, 2 goes 10 times, so 150 square centimeters, or otherwise you can write as centimeter square also, that also correct only. Eighth problem. Find the length of the hypotenuse of an isosceles right angled triangle having an area of 200 centimeters square. Before right triangle they told, now they are telling isosceles right angle triangle. ABC is an isosceles right angle triangle. 90 at B. If this is x, this also will be x. Two sides are equal. Find the length of the hypotenuse. We have to find the length of the hypotenuse. We don't know. So we have to find this one, hypotenuse. Now solution given. What they have given means area of an isosceles right angled triangle is equal to half a square, or you can write as half of product of sides containing right angle, half of product of sides containing right angle. This also square units. Square, this is areas always square units. Are you able to follow? Once again, repeat that formula all of you. Area of an right isosceles right angle triangle means half of the product of sides containing right angle. Very important. Or if you write half a square also correct only. No problem in that, no doubt at all. Half x square. Now they have given how much area of an isosceles right angled triangle. Right angled triangle. How much they have given? 200 centimeters square. Now half x square, because side we are thinking as x now. This is formula, this is side, is equal to 200. This side also centimeter square only. So here half a square you can write as half x square centimeter square. That's why centimeter square cancelled. X square is equal to, cross multiply, 200 into 2. x square is equal to 400. Are you able to follow? Now, multiplication. X square is equal to 400. X is equal to square root of 400. X is equal to 20 centimeters. How much? 20 centimeters. Now they are asking to find hypotenuse. We know ABC is a right triangle. If you want isosceles also you can add, no problem. Isosceles, right isosceles triangle also you can write. When you write right triangle, hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. In bracket, Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras told what the statement? In a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. Here AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. We don't know, we are finding that only. Hypotenuse square is equal to, we got 20. 20 square plus 20 square. Now, AC square is equal to 400 plus 400. 800. AC square is equal to 800. AC is equal to square root of 800. Square root we have to find. Easy method. 2 into 400. That is equal to, for 400, 20 is the square root. So, 20 root 2. Now they gave value for, that is equal to 20 into 1.414 given in the problem itself. Now decimal, 2 into 14.14, sorry, 14.14. So when you multiply 28.28 centimeters. Why? We are finding the length of the hypotenuse. Therefore, length of the hypotenuse is equal to length of the hypotenuse is equal to is 28.28 centimeters. That is the way of doing this problem.